Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the science class. Children, we have revised our 3 units. Now we are going to revise today unit number 4 and then unit number 6. Our unit number 4 is about what plant produce. As you remember, we have read the different parts of plants in this unit, and then about the germination and about the different vegetables. Let's start and recall in your memory that what we have already read it. First of all, we see that the parts of plants. The plant is made up of many different parts. Each part has a set of jobs to keep the plant healthy. The 4 main parts are roots. What root do? Roots hold the plant in the ground. They sucks the water and the nutrients from the ground. For the leaves and for the flowers and for the health of the plant, they take in water and the nutrients from the ground. So roots anchor the plants in the ground. These are the roots. Now then we have stems. Stems are the stalk, and what they do, they transfer the water and the nutrients from roots to the leaves, because leaves need these nutrients and water for making the food. Leaves. Now the third part is leaf. What job do the leaves do? They mix the food for the plant, and also they provide oxygen. They make oxygen which is very necessary and important for our life. Plants give us these oxygen, and then we have flowers. The most attractive part of the plant are flowers, and then flowers turn into, not always, but sometimes flowers turn into the fruits. These are the main parts: roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. And they do the different types of jobs. Now then, fruits and seeds. We read about the fruits grow from flowers. Fruits contain seeds. Not all fruits have the same number of seeds. Remember, I told you different types of fruits have different numbers of seeds, like mango has only 1 seed, papaya has a lot of seeds, watermelon, apple has 5 or 6, then watermelon has a lot, maybe hundreds of or thousands of seeds inside the fruit. So then what happened? From these seeds, we have the new plant, and this process is called germination. What is the process of germination? I told you, when we put the seed inside the ground and we give the water to them, then the seed begins to grow. Roots come out, roots become bigger, and the hard covering of the seed break up. Then the shoot come out, look, and the roots start growing. The shoot pushes up and begins to grow. The small plant is coming out of the ground, then it becomes bigger. The shoot grows green leaves. Understand? And this process is called full process. From here to the new plant is called the process of germination. And from where we get these seeds? From the fruits. Inside the fruits there are seeds, and these seeds again grow into the new plants, and from these new plants we get the fruits again. Then we have read about the vegetables, that how vegetables, how are the plants, different parts of the plants give different types of vegetables. Let's see, like leaf birds, cabbage and lettuce are really birds. Look like this. The plants grow from seeds. Almost the whole of the plant is made up of a bud. We call them these type of vegetables. These are the part of the plant we call leaf birds. These vegetables we get from the leaf birds. Then we have roots. Carrots, radish, and turnips are swollen roots, just like they grow inside the ground. Then we take them out. These are the roots of the plants, these vegetables. Then we have leaves, spinach, chives, also mint, corianders. They all are the leaves of the plants. And we eat them. Now stems, the example of a stem can be hollow or solid, round or square, rough or smooth, like sugar cane and celery. This is the sugar cane. These are the plants of sugar cane. Look, this part is the stem and this is sugar cane. Okay, leaf bird, leaves, roots, and stem. Then what we have more? Tubers. What are tubers? Potato, ginger, and yams are tubers. These are stems which grow underground. These are not roots. These tubers means these are the stems and they grow inside the ground, just like potatoes, ginger, and yams. Then fruits. We have fruits on the trees, but also the tomato and chilies. We call them fruit. Why we call them? Do you remember? Remember this question? Because they grow from flowers and they have seeds inside them. So that's why tomato and chilies, we call them fruit as well. Now bulb. What is bulb? The onion. Onion is a bulb. Onions can grow from bulbs or from seeds. These are also, look, onion grow here. And we call this part bulb. Now we have flower birds. Look like cauliflower. It's like a flower, but it's a vegetable. That's why its name is cauliflower. And globe, artichokes are flowers birds. The white part of a cauliflower is the vegetable. It is surrounded by the leaves. This part is the vegetable. This is flower bird. Then we have seeds. Also, we eat the seeds of the plant in the form of peas or beans. These are the seeds of the plant, but we like to eat them. This is about all chapter number 4, what plant produce. Plant produce flowers and fruits and vegetables. Okay. Now then we have unit number 6. We need to revise unit number 6, and this is all different about the plants, about the green leaves. This chapter is about the materials. What are materials? Anyone of you remember? Okay. Take a look around you. All the products that surround you in your home, school, or play area are made of one material or another. We are surrounded by an incredible arrangement of different materials. Wood, plastic, toys. Most of your toys are made of plastic. Then your water bottles, then household things. These all are plastics. Then your table chairs, they are made of wood. Your pencils, made of wood. In your houses, sometimes windows and doors, they are made from wood. Now then you have fabrics. Then the material fiber. different types of clothes, what you are wearing, different design, different colors. Then we have glass. Then we have metal and paper. Your books, your notebooks, newspapers, these things are different types of material. They made from different type of materials. Then we have seen the properties of materials. What are the properties of material? We have seen that they're transparent, just like the glass. Materials that allow light to pass through. Remember I told you the things through which you can see easily, through which light can pass, so that objects can be seen through it. For example, glass. Your windows, in your windows, house windows, you have glass to see outside. Then the opposite of this property of a material, transparent, we have opaque. Materials that cannot allow light to pass through, so objects cannot be seen through it. For example, wood or wall. You cannot see through the wood or through the wall. Then waterproof material. What are waterproof materials? That do not let water to pass through it. For example, leather, plastic, or glass. Look at this picture. Like when there is a raining, you take umbrella because it does not let water to pass through. Then we have flexible material like this. Fabric, your clothes, they are flexible. Materials that can easily bend without breaking or can change the shape easily. For example, your clothes. This is a picture of a muffler. You can bend it easily. You can fold your clothes and you put them in your cupboards. So they are flexible. Then you have the magnetic material. Materials that can be attracted or repelled when bring near the magnet. Have you experienced the magnet? I told you if you have a magnet at the home, then you can do the experiment with the magnet to bring the iron or steel things or different rubbers or wood, bring them near the magnet and then see what happened to them. Then what we have a strong and hard materials. Materials that cannot be easily bent, break, or scratch. For example, diamond or rocks, stone. These are called hard or strong material. These are the different types of material properties. Then the last one, what we have, the conductor. What are conductor? Some material like metals are good conductor of heat. This means heat can travel through them. I told you, look, like from here, heat can easily move from here to here. That's why the whole pot is become very hot. The thing which can transfer heat or electricity, that materials we call conductors. Okay, children, hope you all enjoyed science class. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Wish you a good luck.